Dow Corning CI 2001 white reflective coating helps improve light output and efficiency of LED lamps and luminaires when it's applied onto reflectors, mixing chambers, backlight units, and PCB. This one-part sprayable coating provides a homogeneous finish with better environmental resistance and less discoloration than some plastics and organic paints and films. This highly reflective optical coating is easy to apply. It cures at room temperature to a tough, non-tacky surface, and it's repairable. It can be applied by spray, flow, dip, or selective coating. Before handling, please read product and safety data sheets and container labels. Dow Corning CI 2001 coating is designed to be sprayed in industrial paint spray equipment, standard pressure paint spray guns, or high-volume, low-pressure spray guns. Product settling may occur during storage and shipment. You must shake the product properly in a paint shaker to get reflective filler well dispersed. You can also vigorously stir the product to redisperse the reflective filler. Either way, the material must be mixed well and be homogeneous before and after you dilute it. When diluting Dow Corning CI 2001 coating, Dow Corning OS 20 fluid is the recommended solvent for dilution. For spraying operations, a dilution of up to 20% is recommended. For safety, we also recommend grounding all containers during the dilution process. Let the diluted material de-air for approximately 15 minutes before putting it into the spray gun container. If possible, select a spray gun with at least a two-step or double-action trigger. For air guns, the optimum fluid pressure is between 8 and 20 psi. Before you begin coating, spray a horizontal test pattern on paper, with the air cap in the vertical position. Hold the trigger open until the material begins to run. There should be an even distribution of the material. If not, adjust the pattern width with the spreader adjustment valve. This testing will help you determine the best distance and speed combination to achieve your best coverage and finish. As a rule of thumb, begin by testing at a distance of 9 to 12 inches from the gun tip to the sample, at a speed of approximately 12 inches per second. If the gun is too close, waves of coating material may be deposited, but if the gun is too far away, there might be gaps in the coating layer. Approximately 1 inch after reaching the end of the sample, reduce the pressure until only air is expelled from the gun. Maintaining your steady speed, continue the gun movement for at least 5 more inches. This last step should keep the gun free from accumulated coating, which could cure between applications and clog the gun. For dip coating operations, the material may be used as supplied, or solvent diluted if a thinner film build is desired. Dow Corning CI 2001 coating cures quickly when exposed to moisture in the air. Special precautions must be taken to prevent moisture from contacting the product. Keep containers tightly closed with minimal headspace. Partially filled containers should be purged with dry air or other gases such as nitrogen. If you're using dip tanks, these should be covered when not in use. Dow Corning CI 2001 white reflective coating is formulated to provide adhesion to most common substrates and materials. The tack-free and cure times can be shortened significantly by introducing mild heat up to 60 degrees Celsius and 70% relative humidity. When using heat, allow adequate time for the solvent to evaporate before exposing the product to elevated temperatures in an air-circulating oven. Full adhesion typically lags behind cure. It may take up to 48 hours to build in some coatings at 25 degrees Celsius. On certain difficult, low surface energy substrates, you may improve adhesion by priming or with special surface treatments such as chemical or plasma etching. A typical cure for a 5 mil coating is 10 minutes at room temperature, followed by 10 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius. And you should never cure coating at temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius. The pot life of Dow Corning CI 2001 coating depends on the application method you've chosen. But to extend the pot life, minimize the coating material's exposure to moisture by using dry air or dry nitrogen blanketing whenever possible. This highly reflective coating is one of Dow Corning's innovative, high-performance silicone-based materials designed to help you create next-generation lighting. If you have questions about using Dow Corning CI 2001 white reflective coating for your specific application, we'd love to hear from you, and we'll be happy to help you find the solution.